are you ready to eat good? So those that know Mos, they know Mos, my road chef. So today we're going to do lamb shank, but not any lamb shank, fella. Oh, we're going to do some Ditsum Karoo, nee? This is cooking chops, and I'll show you now. But first of all, like always, and this is my absolute go-to. It's just rough cut onions, nee? Rough cut. Onions in the bottom of this bag. Then some rough cut potatoes. Taters. Rough cut. And then some garlic, whole garlic, like this. And just to keep the flu away. And this is A grade. Check there. If you don't believe me, A grade Ditsum Karoo. And if it doesn't say certified Karoo lamb, nee, I promise you, it is not.
Karoo lamb in the Karoo.
Karoo lamb in the Karoo. So we just now very rough, kind of sort of do this now. We'll check up on it a little bit later. But my go-to black pepper, and then of course, how can a Trans-Africa cooking be without trusty old cannabis and lime? Moldelik.
Don't be shy.
Don't be shy. Don't ever be shy. And then we bought this in Orania, Himalayan and herb salt. Quite a lekker salt. We're gonna later add a little bit of our smoked salt, just to give it that little bit of a lekker smoky taste. And you cannot do any lamb without rosemary. Rosemary just give lamb that's, I don't know how to describe it, but umami. So check this now out. Does this not already look like the real McCoy business? So this goes into the road chef now for 2 hours at about 160, 140, and then we'll see what it looks like. Maybe when we get to Loxton or just after Loxton, we'll have a look at what this Johnny's look like. So Arivari, let's put it in the oven. Half vir ons bietjie uit. Half vir ons bietjie uit. Half vir ons bietjie uit.
Glad this oven isn't inside of that bucket.
I can smell it.
It smells. Needed to be around there by me the whole time.
Bulle, haal het uit man. Haal het uit, die oond uit. Mooi brand, die vat die onion ook. Take it out, take it out. Let's see. So we just stopped here. What's it, 80 k's before Sutherland. Now I want to see. Yo. Look at this lamb shanks and choppies. So this is how we end this Christmas Day 2025. Me and Bella. Lamb shanks, some veggies, and some bread. Show you now in the plate. You can be the judge and you can tell me this lamb shank falls off the bone. There's the garlic, there's the potatoes, there's the chop with a full grain bread. So that is our Christmas dinner for today. And I even left a stukkie for poor old Bella. So Merry Christmas and Arivari. God bless, keep safe.